Here are 10 good thoughts to inspire and motivate you. Happiness is not by chance, but by choice, reminding us that our attitude shapes our joy. The only way to do great work is to love what you do, encouraging us to find passion in our efforts. Believe you can and you're halfway there, highlighting the power of self-belief. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams, urging us to hold on to our aspirations. Don't watch the clock, do what it does. Keep going, which emphasizes persistence. In the middle of difficulty lies opportunity, teaching us to look for growth in challenges. The best and most beautiful things in the world must be felt with the heart, reminding us to value intangible moments. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today, so we must overcome self-doubt. Kindness is a language that everyone can understand, showing the universal impact of compassion. Finally, the purpose of life is not just to be happy, but to be useful, honorable, and compassionate, making a difference with the life we live.